Aston Martin Valkyrie, Red Bull F1 drivers could test Hypercar. Daniel Ricciardo and Max Verstappen could help develop 2019 Valkyrie, as Aston approaches testing phase. Red Bull F1 drivers Daniel Ricciardo and Max Verstappen might be in line to build up the approaching Aston Martin Valkyrie Hypercar, which will start testing this fall. Test system work is as of now well in progress, yet Aston anticipates that the main skeleton will be prepared before the finish of August, with the primary certifiable runs anticipated that would have occurred by October. The brand is quick to get input from the F1 combine, trusting they'll be best set to drive the test auto as far as possible. While firm execution specs stay vague, Aston is focusing on speeds that would see the Valkyrie coordinate a main 10 Formula 1 auto in qualifying trim. "In the event that it works out, I'd love to do the testing," said Ricciardo, who is among the purchasers to have gobbled up each of the 150 street-lawful Valkyries slated for generation. "All I know is I'm certainly quick to be one of the initial ones to attempt it." Testing will begin with a street-going Valkyrie in the first place, before consideration is swung to the track-just AMR Pro model. This is probably going to occur at Silverstone, where Aston Martin has as of late propelled another test focus. The arrangement gives the maker selective utilization of a private track at the Northamptonshire circuit, and also constrained access to other track designs. For Ricciardo and Verstappen to participate, the coordinations would need to work close by their F1 responsibilities. The 2018 timetable highlights two potential windows between the Singapore and Russian Grands Prix in September, and the Japanese and US races in October. Be that as it may, if a reasonable game plan can't be made, Aston is in any event sharp for the Red Bull colleagues to be the first to drive the Valkyrie openly, perhaps before the finish of 2018. With multi-year-long program to overcome, the principal client conveyances won't occur until the last phases of 2019.